In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move buttons on Squarespace. Whether you're updating your website's design, optimizing navigation, or simply experimenting with a new layout, moving a button to the perfect spot can make a big difference. Squarespace makes this process simple with its drag and drop interface, allowing you to customize your site with ease. So let's dive in and I'll guide you step by step. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If your account is linked to Google, you can simply click Continue with Google and select your Google account from the list. Either way, make sure you're signed in and ready to access your site. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. Now, in some cases, you might not be directed there automatically. If that happens, just look for your website's name under the Managed Website section and click on it. This will take you straight to your dashboard. Next, it's time to enter editing mode. Look for the Edit button and click on it. Depending on your Squarespace version or the template you're using, this button might appear in different locations, but it's usually near the top or along the side of the dashboard. If you don't see it right away, just keep an eye out, it'll be there. Now, navigate to the page where the button you want to move is located. Scroll through the pages if you need to, and once you've found the right one, you're ready for the next step. Hover your cursor over the button. When you do this, you'll notice your cursor changes into a hand icon. This indicates that the button is ready to be moved. Click and hold the button, then drag it to your desired location on the page. This is where Squarespace's drag and drop interface really shines. It allows you to reposition elements freely, giving you total control over how your site looks and functions. Moving a button can help improve your site's design and navigation, making it more user-friendly and visually appealing. Take a moment to experiment with different placements. Try out a few options to find the position that works best for your design and functionality. A well-placed button can guide your visitors more effectively and enhance their overall experience on your site. Once you're happy with the new position, click the Save button to finalize your changes. The Save button is usually located at the top of the page or within the editing pane, so make sure you look for it and confirm your changes. Finally, test your new button placement. Navigate through your site and see how it looks and feels. Does the new position improve the design? Is it easier for visitors to find and use? Taking the time to test ensures that your adjustment enhances the overall user experience. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to move buttons on Squarespace and customize your site's layout with ease. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.